A historic ruling by the UN's top court has demanded Israel does everything it can to stop genocide taking place in Gaza. But judges at the International Court of Justice in The Hague stopped short of ordering a ceasefire. Israel, South Africa and Palestinians welcomed the ruling, even though no one got exactly what they asked for. Europe correspondent Lisette Raymer has the latest.
Just hours before the World Court handed down its ruling, the streets of Yemen were packed with people. With banners in one hand and weapons in the other, thousands rallied around the Palestinian flag. We are standing with the Palestinian people, with our blood, our souls, our hearts, says this protester. In Gaza, the wait for a verdict looked different. A starving scramble for what aid managed to get through. Gunfire is heard at this distribution point, and the war-weary grab what they can carry and they run. It is this chaos and cruelty that the World Court wants to end.
The court is acutely aware of the extent of the human tragedy that is unfolding in the region and is deeply concerned about the continuing loss of life and human suffering.
The judges of the UN's top court convinced enough to demand Israel act immediately to prevent a genocide, but not enough to answer the cries of pro-Palestinian supporters outside.
Ceasefire now! Ceasefire now!
A ceasefire has not been ordered.
Israel has an inherent right to defend itself. The vile attempt to deny Israel this fundamental right is blatant discrimination against the Jewish state, and it was justly rejected.
The accusation of genocide is still being considered, but there won't be a verdict for years. So, in the meantime, a list of emergency measures has been imposed on Israel, allowing both sides of this war to claim the ruling as a victory.
The ICJ judges assessed the facts and the law. They ruled in favour of humanity and international law.
The court has ordered Israel to stop killing and injuring Palestinian civilians, to ensure humanitarian aid can enter the Strip, to prevent and punish incitement to commit genocide, and to ensure no evidence of possible genocide is destroyed. Israel is also expected to provide proof it's doing all the above.
The State of Israel shall submit a report to the court on all measures taken to give effect to this order within 1 month as from the date of the order.
But the court has no power to actually enforce its rulings. Where is the humanity? Where is the mercy? This Gazan woman cries. Knowing tomorrow is unlikely to look any different than the sorrowful day she's just endured. In London, Lisette Raymer, News Hub.